Hello, hello. A while ago I was talking about that no traditions anymore because of the quarantines and all these pandemic times. While today I got information that they're gonna happen in a Jukung race in front of our dive center. So I'm heading there, so let's see. Jukung race. Jukung race. Nanti.
You like selling good?
Huh?
You like selling good?
No, I just filmed the race.
Oh yeah, just now. Later a wind not coming.
Okay.
Or there was a strong wind and I go.
Yeah. I hope I win.
You will do it also.
Yeah, because I'm already paying. Let's do it.
How much you have to pay to get to participate?
Me is 50,000 for one boat.
Okay, 50,000
Yeah,
for one.
for buy the rice.
Okay, and then if you win, then what you get?
Rice.
Rice.
Yeah, that's for eating. That one
Okay,
on the
okay.
table.
So if you win, then you got the rice. How many boats? This year only 7 boats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last year there was 17. So now we are waiting for the wind, and then when the wind is changing, when the wind is coming and it's stronger wind coming, so then they start.
Langsung alih ke Takad. Rumpun barat itu ada Jukung nih. Marah Batak sedang langsung. Batak sedang main.
Oh, turun main langsung.
Langsung main.
Dodong komang main dadi ke tengah gitu.
Sing, ini bukannya bu.
What is the distance?
For the start, first going to Rumpon and then until in Jamaluk and then come back and then finish.
Okay. So it's pretty long, right? So it's like okay.
Oh.
How many person on one boat? One person. One person. That's it. Okay. So Jukung races is really old tradition since there was sailing in these places. Everybody wanted to show how good they are in all the sailing stuff. Because before there was no any motors before. It's not that long ago when they didn't use the engines at all for these boats. For me it looks like a trimmer. What we cutting grass back home. Propeller is in the back. Then there is a long pole and that's the engine. The classic engine, what you understand with engine, they are powerful of course, but especially when you have to turn around this boat with the outriggers, it's really complicated. With that engine, it's a way easier. Who's Alec? Your son is Alec. Oh, great. You need the scotch? You have a hose.
Yeah.
So you will lose the power.
No problem.
All the guys been having really good practice all these 2 years. They've been practicing sailing a lot, just simply because, like for example, Chakra, he's usually busy with the diving, while now this year he's been just simply fishing. And of course he mastered all the sailing stuff a lot. I think all of them. So that's gonna be really interesting race. So it's all small Jukungs, right? Mini Jukung. Say it's one Jukung.
4 meter.
4 meter.
Yeah.
This one Chakra going to race is only 4 meters. Well, this one is 6, right? That's like a usual Jukung, which they're using for fishing. They're using that as well for the fishing, but this one is if you have a bigger team and you're fishing with a net, So then this one is more common actually.
Especially
Yeah. And that one is only line, right? Yeah. So chakras Jukung only when you're fishing with the line, and as this one is when you're fishing with the nets, because it's more than one person needed when you do it. What do you think? It's maybe actually a good idea to buy one of those and just sail around Indonesia, right?
It's just amazing.
Stay on a remote island, uninhabited at all. Just live really simple life, right? You don't need that much actually for beautiful life actually.
Maybe a net boat, 6.70 m.
Yeah.
Maybe will be just enough. And
Yeah, the longer one is the bigger one. You still can sail easily, right? You number one.
Yeah, but I
or
don't
chakra.
know. From the back, I think.
Ah, from the back. Wish you a luck.
Thank you.
I think it's like a family tradition, because there are so many families here. They actually kind of proud to participate or represent themselves as a part of their families, and it's a lot of fun actually. Looks like they're gonna have a help from the kids, so the kids gonna help them to push it in. Look, which boat's gonna win? Which one you bet on? This one.
this one is
Okay.
full of power.
Looks like an experienced sailor, right?
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
All right. Almost to start, but still need the preparation. Someone is really relaxed. Someone is pretty nervous. Okay. Are you ready? Go! Woo! Pretty incredible. Another boat is going in. Okay. The start. Now they're putting the steering paddles in. Everybody's out. This is going to be a support team if needed. They're also going to film something. So now we are going to Gemeluk, where they're going to turn around and film how they're turning around. This one's supposed to be a turning point. I'm not really sure how close they will come to the beach. Turn, jumping over the fence. Beautiful place actually. So pity to say that it's completely fucked up. Just look at the water down there. Looks incredible. That's the Gemeluk snorkeling spot here. That's how high it is here. But what I can see now, they actually all the boats are really close. So 3 boats, like I don't know, maybe only 5 meter distance from each other, and now they're actually coming close to the turning point, and all of them getting really close. 6 boats are really close, and then 2 another boats are a little bit more distant. Halfway done, and it's really hard to say who's gonna be a winner, because I don't know, they are really strong 6 competitors, while the 2 boats are like a kind of out for me. And now they're gonna start a really fast way back, just simply because the wind is will blow straight into the sail. who's first? Yeah. A lot of emotions. Someone is complaining, which is absolutely normal. That one is angry. So the winner is I think that's the winner. Is this one winner? Yeah. There's still one coming. The rest of the boats already finished the race. Congratulations. So you won. Congratulations. Yeah, comparing to what we had before, this one is a small race. But anyways, it's some entertainment for the guys. And you know, it's definitely needed for, at least for the mental health. Because it's not easy at the moment, and if you have some enjoyment from the life, these small moments, that's really important. Alright, thank you very much for watching me today. Follow, subscribe, and see you on the next one again. Bye.